How to fix Instagram story upload failed error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Instagram story upload failed error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, to fix Instagram story upload failure, start with basic checks like verifying your internet connection. So, check your internet connection. Sometimes your slow network or slow internet connection will just cause this issue. So, you can simply switch between your mobile data and Wi Fi. Basically, unstable connection are a common cause, so just make sure that you have a good and strong internet or mobile data. After that, you can just restart the app. So you can just swipe up from the bottom and then remove it from the background, and then open it up again, and the app will restart. After that, try to upload it again. If this does not work, you'll need to go to your settings, go to your apps, find Instagram. After you're on your Instagram, go to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Clear out the cache and check if that fixes your issue. If not, you might have to simplify your story. So if you have many GIFs, music, or stickers on your story, they can sometimes cause failures. So try uploading just photo or videos, and that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.